Hello, you're welcome to the 3-day weather forecast with Paul Ugbah. A quick look now at the weather forecast for the next 3 days. On Wednesday, we expect most parts of the north and central Nigeria to be sunny in good horizontal visibility across most parts of the country, while the southern parts are expected to be partly cloudy in good horizontal visibility as well. Temperatures are expected to be highest at 38 degrees Celsius over the central states, Lokoja in Kogi and Makurdi in Benue State at 38 degrees Celsius. We also expect Jalingo in Taraba State to be 37 degrees Celsius, while Sokoto is expected to be 35 degrees Celsius. Over the southern parts of the country, we expect to see 34 degrees Celsius over Benin in Edo State and 36 degrees Celsius over Warri in Delta State, 36 also in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, while Ikeja and Ibadan are expected to be 35 and 36 degrees Celsius respectively. For our air quality forecast, because of the presence of aerosols arising from dust haze, we still expect most parts of the country to have poor air quality that is considered unhealthy for almost all categories of persons, as represented in red color and orange color across the country. Places that appear in purple are expected to have air quality that is considered very unhealthy for all categories of persons. And by Thursday, we still expect stable conditions across most of the north and central Nigeria in sunny conditions dominantly and with good horizontal visibility. The southern parts of the country are also expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy in good horizontal visibility. Temperatures are expected to be 38 degrees Celsius, maintained over Lokoja in Kogi State and also over Makurdi in Benue State at 38 degrees Celsius. Ilorin in Kwara State is expected to be 36. Yelwa is expected to be 38, while Sokoto is expected to be 35 degrees Celsius. Over the southern parts of the country, most of the states are expected to report 36 degrees Celsius over Benin, Warri, and Port Harcourt in Rivers State. For air quality forecast on this day, despite the good horizontal visibility across the country, the presence of dust in suspension in the atmosphere is still likely to make the quality of air unhealthy for all categories of persons in places that appear in red over the northern and southern parts of the country, while places that appear in orange around Sokoto and Kebbi areas are expected to be unhealthy for only sensitive group of persons. By Friday, stable conditions are still expected over most parts of the country, extending from Kaduna through Jos and Abuja down to the southern parts of the country in sunny conditions. We expect partly conditions to still prevail over the southern parts of the country. However, states like Sokoto, Katsina, Kano, and Yobe states are expected to experience influx of dust into this region that will cause a slight deterioration in horizontal visibility on Friday. And for our air quality forecast, we still expect places that appear in red over most parts of the north, central, and southern parts of the country to be unhealthy for most persons, while places that appear in orange are expected to experience air quality that is considered unhealthy only for sensitive group of persons. Places that appear in purple are considered to have air quality that is expected to be unhealthy, very unhealthy for all categories of persons. This is where we'll wrap up our 3-day weather forecast for today. Thanks for watching and see you again.